Want to supercharge your Discord server with automated messages and seamless integrations? First, navigate to your server settings by clicking on the server name in the top left corner, then select Server Settings from the drop-down menu. Once inside, find and click on the Integrations tab, where you'll discover the Webhooks section. If you already have webhooks, they will be listed here, but to create a new one, simply click the Create Webhook button. Now it's time to customize your webhook. Give it a descriptive name, choose an avatar that represents its purpose, and most importantly, select the channel where you want the automated messages to appear. This is crucial as it dictates where your webhook's messages will be sent. Select carefully. Once you're happy with the settings, copy the Webhook URL. This is the key to connecting your webhook to external services. Finally, click Save Changes to finalize your webhook setup, and that's it. Your webhook is now ready to send automated messages and integrate with other services, bringing a new level of automation to your Discord server.